Alright guys, today we're going to be going over PHP variables. So please follow along with the PHP Hello World lesson before this, so you know how to set up PHP and you can already be ready to get started. So go ahead and open up Notepad or whatever editor you're using. And today we are going to, discuss variables. They're very simple to use. And we're not even going to be putting any HTML on the file right now, just for the tutorial sake. So let's go ahead and discuss variables. Now every variable in PHP starts with a $sign, and then the variable name. Next you do the equals and then put the variable value. Now you do that for virtually all variables. It doesn't matter if it's a string or an integer or a double, they all work the same way. So using this template, by the way, a comment is a double slash in PHP, and then a multi-line comment is a / asterisk, and then an asterisk / and anything in here is commented out. So using that template, we are going to create some variables. Now our first variable will be simple. It'll be a string. We'll call it my_string equals hello world. And then we'll go ahead and echo my_string. Now remember when I said in my hello world video that in variables you do not need to put the variables in quotes. In fact, you shouldn't in most cases, if not all cases. So you just put the variable. And you always, when you're calling the variables, you always need to do the $sign and the variable name in full. So you echo the value of my string, and remember to put the semicolon on the end of the line. That's very important, as in most programming languages. Now go ahead and save that. We're going to save it to my desktop for now, and I'm going to call it variables.php. Change save as type from text document to all files, and click save. Now I don't want to make the mistake I did last time and edit the wrong file, so I'm going to go ahead and drag this variables.php into my Xampp projects. Now I'm going to go inside my projects folder and find variables.php, which is right here. Click it, and we come up here and it says hello world. So we successfully echoed out the value of the variable. Let's go ahead and open up variables.php again. So that's pretty simple. You can echo out the values of variables. Let's go ahead and create another. I'm gonna show you a quick thing of linking things together. You just put a period and then you put whatever else you want to go. So that's how you can link stuff together, or link mainly strings together in PHP. So we have the value of my string, and then we have our linker here, which will link together to whatever else, and we're going to put a line break. It's a simple BR tag in HTML. So that's going to go down the line, and now we're going to create a integer variable. An integer is just a basic number that does not use decimal places. So we'll call it myInt equals, we'll do 25. Now we'll echo my int. My bad, I put a typo. Okay, now we echoed my int. We're going to go ahead and go back into the file and load it again. 25. So you can echo out the value of integers as well, and you don't have to worry about converting it to a string or anything, which is why PHP is so cool. It really makes your life easier when you're doing these things. You can also do math while you're echoing it out. We'll do 25 plus 15. And since it's not in a string, the plus sign will not be taken as a string. It will be taken as part of the equation, which will basically be, how it works. So there's 40. Now you can also, instead of doing the math on the variable itself, you can do it while echoing it out. So we're going to echo myInt plus 20, and there you go, 45. So it's pretty simple and PHP is much easier than a lot of other languages when it comes to this type of thing. It's much simpler to compute and mathematical functions. It's just a lot easier in that sense. So that's the basics of variables. They're really simple to use. We'll go ahead and do another one. We're going to go ahead and link this together with another line break. And then, by the way, you don't have to put that space there when on the linker. You can do it like that. I just put the space because it's easier to read. And now we're going to create, let's say, my double, or we'll do my float. And a float is just no larger than 6 decimal places. We'll do 5.25, and then we'll echo my float. And there's 5.25. So you can see variables are really simple to use in PHP, and that should get you started on a whole nother line of things in PHP to have fun with. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.